Hi, I am Aman Choudhary. Over the past 13 years, I have led AI and analytics-driven transformation across retail, CPG, and BFS sectors. In the recent times, I have observed an exciting shift in how businesses are engaging with data, not over static dashboards, but through intelligent dialogues. At the heart of this shift is the rise of AI agents that act as on-demand analysts. These AI agentic systems understand natural language, retrieve relevant data, apply reasoning, and generate contextual insights instantly. With the advancements in multi-AI agentic frameworks, we are entering an era of business intelligence based on interactive question-driven analytics, where insights come to you instead of you searching them. Users no longer need to dig through the dashboards. AI agents can integrate with data lakes and the large language models to answer queries like, how did my Q1 sales of product A in the West region compare to last year? And get the precise insights with supporting visuals and numbers on the spot. Agentic AI, or rather the Agentic BI, is democratizing analytics across the businesses, making it easier for anyone to consume and act on the intelligence.